Dam stands 726 feet tall and stretches 1,244 feet across the top, but only 78 feet across the base. It looks somewhat like an upside-down pyramid. This massive arch gravity structure contains 3,250,000 cubic yards of
see how it's
concrete.
like at the top.
That's enough concrete to build a two-lane highway.
Hey guys, where are we?
Hoover Dam.
Cool. Hi Leah. Is it pretty huge or what?
But as the dam expands towards the base, it reaches 660 feet.
It's got enough concrete to make a 4-foot sidewalk around the entire Earth's equator.
Yeah, that's pretty
She
amazing.
weighs in at a petite 6.6 million tons.
Hey Ian, what do you think, bud?
Behind the dam,
It's pretty humongous, isn't it?
see Lake Mead,
You're not going to talk?
the largest man-made reservoir
Well, how come?
in the United
It's a video.
States.
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was a
It has a
picture.
storage
Oh.
capacity of
Oh, it's great.
9.2 trillion gallons
Kids,
of water.
look, Shane's having fun.
Yeah. Hi Shane.
Flood the state
I thought that was a picture.
Girls.
I thought that was a
Wow, look,
picture.
there's people way down there at the bottom.
You're celebrities.
See the guys in the hard hats way down there?
Nope. So I'm not as tall as you.
Right down there. See the dude in the red shirt? Right at the walkway. See the walkway?
Oh yeah, those guys. They're puny.
Yeah.
Hey, puny people.
Water comes out of the turbines at an average temperature of 53 to 55 degrees.
Allison, will you get our picture? Absolutely.
I saw some water.
At the base, you see two long buildings.